Hello. If you want to sit down,
you see, we can pick.
very sexy. Anyway, Amanda, we are meeting here.
Hi guys. Of course, the manager is my friend. You guys are my friends too. You see those girls there? Whatever they take, I will pay. You calculate and tell me the price I'll pay, okay? You're my very good friend. There's some times when I don't tell you things, I feel bad. And that's why I called you to tell you this. I met a girl. She's very beautiful. She's so astonishing and so wonderful that I lost it. I couldn't control myself when I met her. I think I'm in love.
Yeah. From the way you are giving me the description, it shows that this girl is an angel from hell.
Yes, she is.
She's quite beautiful.
Very beautiful.
But what about Becky, your girlfriend?
That's a problem.
What problem?
Becky was there when I saw the girl.
Hold on. You said Becky was there when you met this girl. Tell me, how did you manage with the gamble? The gambling?
She saw the way I was looking at the girl. She left the mall with anger though.
She left you?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. How can you be in love with two persons just like that? I'm in love with this one, I'm in love with this one. How can you be in love with two persons? In my family, do you understand? Do you know the gravity of what you've just done? You messed up.
This girl I saw, the very first time she was in secondary school clothes, secondary school uniform. The next time I was seeing her yesterday, she was in a very astonishing, beautiful dress. Like, I don't know, the beauty was so much.
Frank. Hold on. You said secondary school girl.
Yes, still in secondary school.
Secondary school girl.
Yes.
Hey, Frank, this is child abuse. Child abuse. Child abuse of the highest order. How can you begin to talk about that? Eh? A secondary school girl, and you describe it as if she is this or that. Maybe she's just a graduate or an independent person.
She wasn't looking the same. The person I saw at the shopping mall was better matured, like good clothes and with good shapes. Even our friends, you can never say that.
Bros, come up this. We have to face reality. That girl is still a small girl. She doesn't know anything. From your description, she doesn't know anything. And this is not the time for you to disappoint Becky.
You remember me?
Then we met at the supermarket, isn't it?
Yes, that's you. Yes.
Oh,
thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. For the other day, we appreciate it. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Alright. You guys are big girls or young girls. Are you in university or secondary school? Like?
We are still in secondary school. Our school is not far from that community secondary school. That one, yes.
You guys in secondary school?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's alright. What's your name?
My name is Cynthia, sir.
What's your name? What's your name?
Angela, sir.
Wow. You must be going somewhere around.
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to go and see a friend down there.
Okay. So maybe you hop in, let me drop you.
Oh, don't worry.
No,
Thank you
wait.
very much. We really appreciate the other day. Please, thank you.
Wait,
Please,
come.
alright.
No.
It's not far. We are trying to tell you that it's not far.
Don't worry.
I volunteer to drop you guys off, alright?
Yeah.
Cynthia, come in.
He said I should come to his father's house.
Are you serious?
I'm serious now.
This is your
I don't
problem,
need to
Nneka.
go.
You always spoiling show for somebody. What is your problem?
Yes, Frank,
Father.
you are old enough to be a man. So what is owing you?
Yes, Father. I am no longer a child. So I think I'm working on something. Yes. Don't worry, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise.
Oh, yes. So, in no distant time, you will see what I'm talking about. Surprise? Yes.
Good afternoon. Chief, good afternoon. You get one girl, what they do for you outside, Dr. I say, no, see my place is for you.
So, what's her name?
You say your name now, Cynthia. We gon' talk, get big body, gon' get hip like that.
That's
Oh,
what
God, they get fine. Chief, if you see him, get fine.
That's what we're talking about, alright? Tell her to come inside.
Who? My tell her, make you come inside.
Yes.
Maggie! Maggie!
Sir!
Come.
Yes.
Go and prepare something. We're expecting a special guest.
Let's be very fast because she's already here.
Okay.
Right here, she's already here. Yes. Father, you can go now. Oh, go ahead, go.
Oh, if I know this, so they get too fine.
Hey! Young lady, you're welcome. What are your names?
My name is Cynthia Okoro, daughter of Mazi Okoro.
One of the best Bama tapas in the town. Very popular. Well known.
Are you a brother?
No, sir. I
also likes community secondary school guy.
Frank,
Father.
meet me upstairs.
Don't mind my brother. He likes you. You know, this is the first time he's seen you, so he's reacting somehow. Don't worry. We'll get used to you, okay?
You were telling me something.
Yes. I was saying that my girlfriend came to his house.
Yes. Becky.
Who is talking about Becky here? I am talking about Cynthia, my new girlfriend.
Cynthia.
Like,
Frank. You have not even woke up from this your nightmare or ordinary dream. Becky is mature to present as a wife. What?
listen, Obina, my problem is that my father was not happy about the whole thing, so...
You see, I have not even said anything. You concluded it all. Your father will not be happy. Because when looking at that small girl, can you get that girl? Okay. Let us face the reality. Becky is more presentable as a wife. But this one is like, what they call maid as a wife, just like that. No, it's not good now. Or you believe in him, small time you'll be in love with another person.
She's not a secondary school small girl, please.
So what is she? Big secondary school girl.
What? Are you doing all these things? Are you the one to get married to Becky? Am I not the one to marry her? Please, why can't you just understand this?
But at least I am your friend. I can be your best man on that day. Cool down. So let us face reality and forget about all these our chasing shadows here and there. You cannot help my brother. Serious one. If your father decline. That is what I want to tell you. It's better we face reality. Oh, declare, I declare.
It's okay.
I Okay, relax. In a woman boy, go down there. Follow your father's wish and forget all these ones. I want more job. See this guy. Yo.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Look, I am warning you for the last time. I don't want to see you around my son again. Okay? If I see you near my son, I will lock you up. And I will leave nobody around here that can bail you. Look at where you're living. You want to enjoy my wealth. This time, I don't want to see you around my house, near my son. Get your family. I'll lock you up.
But I know, say you know what I mean. You only trying to please me. Unless you wanna leave me. Yeah. I heard you looking for me. But I know.
Where is this button? Where is that girl? What is that? What is it? Calm down here. Come. Hold your breathing to yourself. I said come here. Come here. Do you remember this face? Huh? You don't recognize my face. You don't recognize my face. Look at my face. Huh? Come here. Come here. Come here. I said come here. Come here. Look at this girl. You're trying to stress me. The next time I see you near Frank, close to Frank, I will deal with you. Kill you. You want to look where you did not see. Abi? Fool. Poor thing. Let me get you again. Idiot.
Another one more time. Yeah. How can I believe in love? How can I believe in love? How can I believe in you? Another one more time. Yeah. I heard you talk about it. Like didn't know about it. Who were you to blame for your mistakes? Yeah. They say you don't know what you've got until you lose it. So I am holding on to myself so tight. I don't wanna break my heart.
Then you are not okay.
What are you doing? I'm scared. I don't think I
My father. My father threatened me. Why? What? No matter what my father says, I still love you no matter what. Okay?
I'm scared. Especially where your girlfriend is. I'm scared of her.
It's alright, I will.
Sir, your food is ready.
Get out from here! Get out from here! Get out from here!
Hey! They said I should leave Frank alone. Tell leave Frank.
Dikeh,
Let her leave Frank.
what are you saying?
Love is not by force.
I don't even blame you. Girlfriend, the most important thing is your love for Frank. Do you love him?
Yes.
Does he love you? Yes, of course, man. That is the only thing that matters. You
But
both
the father
have-
does not support it.
Excuse me! The father does not matter here. What matters is her love for Frank. Period! Sweetheart, please.
Obina, I'm so grateful. I'm so happy you answered me so urgently. I'm grateful. Thank you. You know, the reason why I called you at the phone, the reason I called you to come. I'm losing Frank. Please, I don't want my father to know we are here. I'm losing my relationship.
How?
Frank has threatened to leave. In fact, Frank has left me. All because of this same Cynthia.
Cynthia?
Yes!
Uh-oh.
Please, I want you to help me save my relationship. Anyhow you want to do it, I want you to do it today. Even if it is to go to that girl's house. I want you to distract this girl's attention from Frank.
Okay, you know what, man? Calm down. I know how you feel. I know what to do about it. You don't have to bother, huh? Don't bother. Okay? Don't bother. I know my ways to get her distracted.
You know how long?
It's okay. You don't have to feel bad, okay? I'm there. The relationship must not crash.
Thank you. Thank
okay?
you. Obinna, if you do this for me, I promise to reward you handsomely.
What are friends for?
I promise.
That's no problem.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I want you to listen to me. I've been calling you from afar, but I said I should rush to talk with you. I was walking my car over there. I saw you guys pass. Please, I want to tell you the most important thing that will happen in your life. See, because I love you. That's why I'm telling you this. You see, Frank is trying to lead you astray. Do you know that Frank told me that he wants to use you and dump you like one of the girls that he messes up with? But I said it must be time. I will tell you this. I must let the cat out of the bag. He has a serious girlfriend that he wants to marry. Her name is Becky. Listen to me. I can never lie to you because I love you. I want you to love me back. I want you to love me back like as I do today. Really, I want you to consider what I'm telling you now. I can never lie to you. You understand? You're like a younger sister to me. And a beloved one for that matter. And that's the reason I said I must tell you this.
Please, it's all these things you're talking about. Stop disturbing me about all these things. Anything that I have in common with Frank, it's none of your business. Please, stop this.
Hold on. See, Cynthia, you don't understand. You don't understand. In love business, in relationship business, you are still a beginner. And that's why you are shouting, trying to misunderstand me.
Please, stop disturbing about this issue. I'm not interested in that.
Hold on. Cynthia! Look at it. Just because I stoop so low to talk with you, all this nonsense secondary school girls who doesn't wash their hands very well. Because I'm talking with you. They think I'm being truthful. Idiot. That relationship must crash. Just believe in me. Nonsense.
I heard that you confronted my new friend Cynthia. Why? I never knew you were this harsh. I already apologized for what happened at the mall the other day. Yes, I apologized to you. So why were you still bent on making me look like there was something so serious? Okay, fine. Even if we had something, or I was looking at the girl, or maybe I wanted the girl, was that the reason you should confront her? Are you this dangerous now? What's the meaning of this? Huh? Why? Is this the way you are? Can't I follow my heart? Am I not a man? Did I promise you marriage?
Baby.
Yes.
My God.
Have I ever told you that I'll be marrying you? Please get down from my car.
Baby.
I know your father might be waiting for you now because I don't have the strength of. Go back to your house. Go.
Baby, right now, I don't care if my father is watching me from this house. Where have I wronged you? What did I do? Is it because of this riffraff? What did you see in that girl?
I am a man. I am prone to follow my heart. My heart, I must follow. Please.
You look dancer.
Thank you.
Wow. You look pretty.
Thank you. You look so handsome too. Yeah.
You know what?
No.
I think you are the only girl that ever said this to me.
Wow. Are you sure?
Very much sure.
Thank you. But I don't want to suffer anymore in the hands of that girl called Becky. I've really.
This business.
Promise me that you will never let me decay.
If you should know who Frank is, Frank never said what I never fulfilled.
Are you sure?
This is a promise. I have crossed my mind. And I mean every word I say. You look more like an angel.
Thank you.
Would you toss it up now? Would you break it one more time? I'm scared of living.
It's not what I'm thinking.
How can I believe in love? How can I believe?
Yes.
How can
I can't sense love in the air. See that smile. Tell me, any new news?
No.
Nothing new.
You are this friend.
What is even your problem? Leave this girl alone. Allow her to love.
How can I believe in love? Yeah. Another one more time. I'm scared of loving you, 'cause I don't know what tomorrow brings.
Frank, why have you decided to do this? You know my status in this family. Frank, why are you insisting to marry Cynthia, the daughter of a common palm wine camper? And Frank, I remember I used to see with this young lady whom I know she is responsible. She's a graduate. She's from a responsible and a wealthy family. Frank.
Father, I actually thought you were going to understand me like this. But I can see you are so stubborn. I don't know what to do. She's the one I love, right? She's the one I want.
Frank. Once. Well, it's alright. Nobody chose your mother. Since you have decided to stick to singing, and you felt that is really where you can get happy, I don't have option than to allow you to pass.
It's a joke, right?
It's not. I will support you. Because
Odogu, one of our kingdom. Thank you so much, Dad. Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Yes!
Hello, baby. Are you still out? Oh, good. See, I know it's late right now, but I want you and your friends to come to my house right now. I have a great surprise for you. Yes. I'll drop it out. Good.
Every time this dog will shout at me, it's like you don't feed them very well. And furthermore, I'm wondering why you called me, because I can't quite place this kind of secondary school meeting or something like that. I don't understand.
So I actually summoned them first before I called you. But we all waited for you to arrive before I start talking. At least in no distant time you are going to hear my intentions of calling you people. My dear, I have really tried, you have tried also, for us to be together. We had issues, family issues. My father was never in support. But I want to tell you this night, because I couldn't wait for tomorrow morning to come. I decided to call you now to tell you this, my love. My father has agreed for us to be married. He's totally in support of our marriage and he said we should go ahead and get married together.
From the look of things, I have to be frank with you. This place they seem napkin.
No problem.
And napkin is not ordinary napkin. A day-old baby.
I love it. Yes, maybe you are prophesying on our new baby. We're going to have a happy for you. Yes. Let's marry, not mind my this is for you.
It's okay, it's not that I'm not happy. I'm happy with you.
Yes.
I'm just happy with you. That's no problem.
You don't have any
for my home, no problem.
You don't have no choice. Oh my dear.
But you would have used buy a better wine. Because this one I can't.
Oh yeah, let's make cheers. Yeah, my baby.
Don't tell me that you can feel my purse now, 'cause I know someday you'll be running back to me. Don't push me till I've got nowhere to run, 'cause I know someday you'll be running after me. I gave you every chance to prove yourself to me, but you never saw a reason to be. I gave you everything to make you all believe, but from all you did, you're just another deceiver. Yeah, give your all to me. Yeah, and I will give my all to you. Give your all to me. Yeah. We need a miracle now to bring this love alive. We need a miracle now. Yeah. Turn the things around. Oh, yeah. Don't tell me that you can feel my pain, 'cause I know somehow the puzzle is unsolved. Don't feed me with loving concussion, 'cause I know somehow that I'm already drunk.